Look at the purple car. Oh, there's someone.
What's that parking, dude? What the fuck?
No backup camera, dude. I'm not used to it.
What the fuck?
If anyone wants to give me turbos or swap turbos for me, please. I'm broke as fuck. We just got some Five Guys. We're heading back to the house and we're gonna eat it there. Afterwards, we're gonna install our carbon fiber front lip and side skirts. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna look pretty sick. And it's gonna be super low. Depends on you. So this is the carbon fiber lip we're telling you guys about. It's fully carbon for the M3 front bumper. We have the M3 style front bumper conversion for the 335i. So we're not sure if it will fit completely, but we're gonna try to get the fitment as close as possible. But I think we're gonna have like a slight gap in between. But yeah, this is what it looks like, if you guys are wondering. And also those are the side skirts that we're gonna install. They're a little dirty right now. We just washed them and we let them sit, but the watermarks got all over it and now there's like hard water stains. So we'll polish those out and we'll get them nice and shiny and black again. But yeah, carbon fiber lip, it's gonna be super low. We'll mock it up real quick actually. Down here, super low. It's probably about like a 3-finger ride height, so that's basically what it will look
That's
like.
so bad, bro.
I know, it's so low.
Literally eat shit every single fucking
Hey, but it
second.
looks good though. It looks good. Right?
It will look good.
Sheesh. Give it a little chin chin.
Fitment's pretty good. Not perfect.
It's not that good, dude. It's like it needs work. It needs a spacer or something. Alright guys, so we got the front bumper off. Now we're just mocking it all up. But if you look under here, you can see, like down here, you can see like the bumper itself doesn't sit flush onto the lip. So you got this gap going on right here. But yeah, there's a gap. You can see over here, there's a gap. Over here's a gap. All the way down here. But once we put some holes in it and cinch it down, it should help. But I don't know if we can get that fitment like perfect, you know, since it wasn't made for it.
Yeah.
Just so you guys know, if you're gonna get GT3 front lip for your 335i M3 front bumper conversion, you will probably get a gap similar to this when you install it. So just keep that in mind when if you do decide to buy this lip.
It is what it is.
It is what
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
You already know, conversions, not always the perfect fitment.
Also, you can drill in a pilot hole to guide the drill through, but we're kind of just saying send it. Send her.
Yeah, I think it's a. I think
I
it's
think
a
it's
right size.
about right. .32, 7/32 is the drill bit size that we're using, for us at least. Sick. Alright, we finished drilling holes. Dude, that took longer than expected, dude.
Yeah, literally.
So
It's
long.
fucking sunset now.
But it looks pretty good though. It's not too bad. No complaints.
Complaint.
Shut up. So we just installed the lip and we're driving around. We hit a pothole and I think the lip almost fell off. It was scraping so hard.
Pretty much we're trying to get hardware for the side skirts because we don't got no hardware.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna make it into the Home Depot lot, dude.
I don't think so either. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Lip is so low that we literally hit a small tiny bump on the road and it just scraped like crazy.
Almost lost the fucking
Yo,
lip already.
We almost lost it.
We literally drove like not even a mile. We're here.
Dude, we made it, but barely. Let's check out the damages.
Jesus.
Yeah, we're getting self-tappers and then we're gonna get some washers over it. I'll show you later, but...
Alright, so we're back at it again. Jason's ass parking. He said within the lines, my guy. Within the lines, Jason?
What's up?
Within the line?
What do you mean?
You say within the line.
Hey, ain't that bad? Oh, it is bad. shit on the line,
Fucking
dude.
stupid.
I think we're gonna eat it, dude.
So let's see it.
Let's go like this.
Yeesh. Oh, you made it.
Kind of fun though. Kind of fun.
How to be a nuisance to society, bro. Drive low, so you have to
You
go.
go like this. You go.
Fucking dumb as shit. Yo, chill, bro. Oh my god. I thought you were gonna run over the side skirt.
Man, this is so fun. Alright, let's get this side skirt mounted. One.
Okay, guys. So we're on air now. You see how fucking low this shit is? It's literally,
Gotta chill out, Jabari.
literally nothing. We're fucking low as shit. It's on the side skirts right now.
Pretty easy. So we bought a pan head, and then we just bought a flat washer, stainless steel washer, and then we just go like this and we drill it up into the car. And that's about it. I don't think we need anything like too structural since this is mainly aesthetics, but it's pretty tight on there. Alright, but yeah, we basically finished the side skirts. It's pretty easy install. We just self-tap them up. Put about 7 to 8 on each side. We'll probably get something to eat. We'll get something to eat, meet up with Mason. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The gap's not too bad. We come closer. I mean, it kind of is, but it kind of is. But, you know how it is. So yeah, there's a gap right there. If you look there, gap over here, dude. You can literally see the screw that's coming out.
pretty fucking bad.
Oh, dude, it's cracking already. Sheesh, this is one drive. One drive and already cracked. Oh no, I can't. I can't. Go to one of those, because I don't think these are open. Dude. Look at that, dude. Check. That's crazy. Yeah, you gotta lift it up, dude. There's no way. That is not possible.
Dumb as shit.